All he's doing is just biting the head. He's not really unwrapping it.
Yes, he is unwrapping it.
He's not.
Yes, he is.
It's not even wrap shirts.
Yo creo que yo no estaba recording.
Oh, man.
It's because
Can we finish opening up our gifts? Yeah, you taking too long. The dog and wrapping gifts. What are you doing?
Yeah, Brianna has like 5 things, man.
Yeah, nigga, this is also Brianna.
Gucci, I'm wrapping you.
This is for Robert.
It's for me.
I don't even know what it is.
It looks like...
He got it, he got it.
damn.
How about he ripped it?
He decapitated Rudolph.
So it's broken already?
This is Robert.
Well, you know, he thinks he's human. He wants to be like you guys.
No, he doesn't think he's human.
This
Yes,
is my
he
last
does.
gift.
I think.
Love mama.
Gucci.
Gucci, you happy?
Look, I even got it even on Matthew. You see that? Mark. Some more cologne.
That is it? That's his present?
I'm a steak.
No, that's not it. He's not done.
What's that? What's that?
Do I stink, Mom? I'm a stink, right?
Why?
'Cause I'm-
Brianna, let me see yours.
Oh no, you doing a video?
Did you do a video?
You got more. Gucci.
Oh yeah. You must stink too. Look at
Just to
that.
go do a steak?
Okay, hurry up and open it.
Yeah, can you take that video?
Just to go do a steak?
That's messed up.
Why? Because I gave him cologne.
That's funny because he just goes to a steak, Mom. That was funny.
Why don't you get up and find yours?
Because I only have 2.
No, cause
You have more around.
I don't have no more.
Do I steak, Mom?
Cause I do.
That's
Mama,
funny.
you have some.
That's hilarious.
Bring it to me.
No, you didn't from yourself. Yeah.
Shamble. Baby.
It just
Baby.
Just did.
What?
Do I steak, Mom?
Are you right, Robert? It's not that funny.
That shit is hilarious.
Oh my god, that's chocolate.
Oh, God, I'm gonna go, oh.
Oh shit, you don't have fun.
Yeah, now. Mama, you stink.
You got chocolates?
Brianna must stink too.
Oh, you thought it smelled as bad as you?
She got me too. I really do stink.
Yeah, I have 2 as well. This is not good.
Oh, I'm gonna smell like Mariah Carey. Right?
I love the price thing.
Yeah, that's icing number.
You people are not children. You're not babies, so.
You know what?
What?
I think Mama showed me her gift.
Oh yeah.
What? Yeah. Robert gave it.
What are you looking for, Brianna? More of your stuff?
No.